Collaborating with professional gamers is the best part of our job. We get to work with people who perform at the highest level of competitive gaming, and it's the way that we do our best work in terms of making gear for them that helps them perform at their best. I've had the fortune of working with pro gamers at Logitech since about 1997, and I still learn new stuff every single time because the specific needs of gamers throughout the years have modified slightly. And that allows us an opportunity to continuously improve our products to make them better. That doesn't necessarily mean that we're adding new features or creating new capabilities. Sometimes the pro gamers will tell us, look, this is not necessary, we don't need this, and we can take it away. And that's an opportunity for us to make a much better product because it's allowing the gamer's capability to be unlocked by getting out of their way. Our pro gaming mouse and keyboard were developed with exactly that philosophy, and pro esports players around the world have taken those products and seen huge success with them. So now we're going the next step, which is to develop a pro gaming headset. What do you think about what's important to you when you're thinking about, I need a headset?
The most important thing is quality of sound.
Audio quality is pretty important, being able to pinpoint shots at a distance.
Because you have to tell where you're getting shot from, tell where footsteps are coming from.
Sounds each weapon will make in certain ranges, every little bit counts.
When you start to develop a headset, you look first to audio quality, so we turn to our patent-pending Pro G driver, which is made of a hybrid mesh material that's incredible at removing distortion.
In Counter-Strike, sound is very important, and with that headset, I can hear every single flight noise.
And thanks to the awesome Pro G drivers, it allows me to enhance my audio so I can hear important spells in the game, which is actually important because certain spells you can hear even though they're not on your screen.
One of the reasons I really like this headset is because of the Pro G drivers inside. When you play League of Legends, audio is really important because all the skills in League of Legends have like a sound effects that can help you be more aware of it.
Communications are also critical. You need to make sure that all of the plays that you're executing are understood by everybody involved. The Logitech G Pro gaming headset has an incredibly clear and accurate microphone that lets all of your teammates hear exactly what you're saying, so there's no confusion.
일단 이 G 프로 헤드셋의 장점은 또 마이크 음질이 좋아가지고 또 저희 팀원들이 게임에서 브리핑할 때나 뭐 오더할 때 뭐 씹히는 음질은 없고 잘 전달되는 것 같아요. 그래서 너스가 잘 살리지 않나. 그리고 제가 너스를 욕 많이 하죠.
Sound isolation is crucial for professional gaming. You don't want to be caught wondering whether the truck that you're hearing is outside on the street or an enemy squad rolling up on your position.
The headset has great sound isolation, which is obviously important when you're trying to be competitive because all you want to hear are your teammates and the in-game sounds. You don't want to hear anything going on the outside. The most important is just the game, and the sound isolation helps a lot with that.
It's high-speed decision-making based on very, very small amounts of information. So you can't afford to be tripped up by conflicting pieces of information. Otherwise, you're going to make the wrong decision. A really important part of great audio is the frequency response curve, which we've tuned carefully to make sure that we've got accurate representation of all sounds no matter where they are on the range so that you don't miss out on information because the driver is, say, too bassy. The last thing we looked at was material selection. We were trying to make sure that it was as lightweight and strong as possible. So we used materials like TR90 nylon, which is incredibly flexible, but also keeps its shape very well and doesn't weigh very much. So you're able to wear it for long periods of time without fatigue.
Number one for me personally is comfort. I stream and play 8 hours a day most of the time, sometimes 7 days a week. So first of all, covering the whole ear, like how the material in this area feels.
Where it's contacting your head?
Yes, absolutely.
And so that this part inside the ear cup does not contact your ear.
Right, right.
The quality of the leather is really good, and it's a really good fit, so I can only see it even being more comfortable in the future.
I've been through a lot of headsets throughout my pro gaming career, and I can safely say that I can wear these headsets for like 10 hours and I don't get headaches, I don't get like the marks in my ears. Even if I wear glasses, they're not like pressuring my head too much. So yeah, they're pretty comfy to wear, they're pretty light, I'd recommend.
Well, what I like the most with this headset is that it's really comfy and the noise cancellation is really great, so it's perfect for me as a pro gamer.
Logitech G's Pro line of gear is not just a word that we put on different products. It's a commitment to our customers that we're developing things that are expressly designed to ensure that pro gamers have the best chance possible to succeed. Because there's nothing more infuriating, just as a gamer, for my gear to get in my way. But if you take that up the next level and you're talking about this is your livelihood, it's catastrophic if your gear doesn't perform. So we want to make sure with everything we do that we're making the best choices possible to enable people to play at their highest level. And that starts with working with the pros on the pro line. And the things that we learn while we're developing the pro line also filter into all the other products that we make.